Hello little artists! Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a triangle. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. Now, we draw a big tree beside the house. This is the root of the tree. Here, we draw a sun using circle shape. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. A roof is the top cover of a building. That keeps the rain, snow, and sun out. It's like a big umbrella for your home. Roofs can be flat, pointy, or sloped. Some roofs even have windows. This is blue color. Here, we use blue to color the wall of the house. Walls keep us safe inside the house. The walls hold up the roof. Walls can be painted many colors. We can put pictures and posters on the walls. Walls make our house into different rooms. We use yellow color to color the door of the house. We use yellow color to color the window. Here, we use green color to color the tree which beside the house. Green color. This is brown color. We use yellow color to color the sun. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Are you ready? For new video, today we draw a car. At first, we draw a straight line. Parallelly we draw some straight line. Next we draw the front side of the car. Then we draw wheels of the car. Then, we draw window of the car. And we draw other parts of the car. A car is a vehicle with wheels that you can ride in. It has an engine that makes it go. Cars help us travel from place to place. We can use a car to go to school or the park. Yellow color. Cars come in different sizes and shapes. Pink color. Some are small, like a compact car, and some are big, like a minivan. Green color. Cars have seats, so we can sit comfortably. You can choose from many colors, like red, blue, or green. Red color. Blue color. Cars have windows, so we can look outside and see the world. Green color. Blue color. Red color. Brown color. Black color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we learn flower drawing. At first, we draw a circle shape, the middle part of the flower. Next, we draw many flower petals to make the flower more attractive. Flowers are like nature's colorful confetti. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Some flowers smell sweet and yummy. Other flowers have a strong, spicy scent. Flowers have petals, which are like little wings. The center of a flower is where the pollen lives. Pollen helps flowers make seeds for new plants. Bees and butterflies love to visit flowers for their nectar. The sun helps flowers grow big and strong. Water is also important for flowers to drink. Some flowers grow on trees while others grow in the ground. Flowers can be red, yellow, blue, pink, and many more colors. Pink color. Blue color. color, red color, purple color, green color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, orange color, purple color, green color, Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Hello kids. Today we learn fish drawing. At first, we tried to draw a curve. This is the body part of fish. And we draw fish tail. Next we draw a line middle to it. And draw some fish fins. Fish are underwater animals that live in water. They breathe using gills, not lungs. Fish have fins that help them swim. Many different kinds of fish live in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Fish can be big or small, like whales or clownfish. Some fish are colorful and have scales. Fish eat small plants and animals or other fish. Fish lay eggs in the water. Fish can be found in warm and cold water. Fish are important for our food and the ecosystem. Some fish, like sharks, have teeth. Yellow color. Fish can swim very fast. A school of fish is a group of fish swimming together. Green color. Some fish are poisonous and should not be eaten. Humans have caught and eaten fish for thousands of years. Orange color. Fish are an important part of the ocean and the food chain. Red color. Many fish have special senses like taste and smell. Fish can live for many years, some even hundreds. Green color. There are many different species of fish in the world. Blue color. Fish are fascinating animals that live in many different environments. Pink color. Blue color. Green color. Purple color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.